First, fill in customer's name, phone number, email, plate number, and chassis number. Click Continue. Choose customer's preferred time slot, vehicle's brand and model, CNG system, and click Continue. Next, upload customer's vehicle's front view, side view, rear view, the vehicle's grant. Once you're done, click Submit. Review your booking form and make sure that all information filled is correct. Next, create work order. Upload vehicle image as required. Click Create, and the button shall change to In Progress. Select NGV kit system type and fill in the number of NGV cylinders installed. Under Job Sheet section, assign mechanic in charge and bay. Under Items section, choose item based on vehicle. Under NGV checklist, upload vehicle image with required NGV parts and frame before dismantling. Once NGV dismantling job is done, upload the required vehicle image or parts after removal from vehicle. Before clicking Complete, make sure that all informations and images uploaded are correct. JCT will be generated and cannot be undone. To view the JCT generated, click on JCT button on the top right of page. This is an example of JCT generated for your reference. For the final step, click the Invoice button on the right side of page to submit payment to Petronas. Thank you for watching.